this is Keyshawn Tech. Today we are going to be reviewing the Google Home Mini right here. So let's unbox it and see what the Google Home Mini has to offer. This is the Google Home Mini. So let's look around the box. Here obviously it says Google Home Mini with the Google logo right there. And that's obviously the Google Home Mini. That's what should be inside of it, hopefully. And it comes with Google Photos, Google Chromecast, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube and Nest. Here on the back it says something. It says small and mighty. And it says Google Home Mini is powered by Google Assistant. Ask questions, tell it things to do and stuff like that. So let's cut it open and unbox it. A lot of people like when you take off the saran wrap or whatever around an item. And it doesn't feel that heavy. It's pretty light actually. They said it's about the equivalent of a donut, so yeah. Well, everyone likes donuts, right? So what could be so bad about this? I really don't know how to open this. Oh, here. So, put that there. Whoa. You guys see that? So, here's the Google Home Mini. It's orange at the bottom. That's cool. Has this really good texture too. We open it up even more. We have more here. Oh. Wow. So it says, let's get started. Oh. So that's what it says. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Oh. Be safe. So here it comes with a charger here. It's a round charger. This is what you should get. And it's actually pretty long, so it's pretty much is the size of a donut. Maybe a little bit smaller even. And yeah. So let me plug this in, let me set this up, and I'll be right back. Looks great. 10 minutes later. Hey guys, I'm back, and from unboxing it obviously and plugged it in and set it up. So yeah, our little donut Google friend here is doing pretty well. So yeah, here are some of the controls here, so you guys can see that. And yeah, you have the mic switch, you have the tap right, tap lefts on the side, you know, for up and down, for volume of music and stuff. It's pretty good. So yeah, let's ask it some questions. Hey Google, what's 20 divided by 5?
The answer is 4.
So it's working pretty well. So yeah, let's check out the sound quality. I played it so far and it sounded pretty good. So yeah, hey Google, play my Spotify.
Playing some music on Spotify.
So this is just some music off of Spotify. And it actually sounds really good for a small speaker. Hey Google, stop playing music. Obviously, as you can see, it gets really loud. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty much your standard Google Assistant just in your house now. You can set it up as in your bedroom, your den, or whatever. And it's actually quite great. I also have an Alexa, and so far I actually like the sound quality on the Google speaker so far actually better. This was released about a year after the Alexa, the small Alexa one. So yeah, you can put it in your kitchen, living room. It says it all here and the thing. And to set it up, you have to download the app here. Google Home app and stuff, plug it in and stuff like that. You always have to keep it plugged in, actually. It's not like charging. I don't know why I said that before. And yeah, So let's play some music, but let me lower the volume. Hey Google, lower your volume by 2. Hey Google, play something off of my Spotify.
I looked for something off my on Spotify, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
There, it didn't understand it. Hey Google, play Spotify.
Alright, music on Spotify. Here you go.
This is just some random music. This is even my playlist. Sounds pretty good. Obviously, I can't play this for too long. Hey Google, stop playing music. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can ask it questions like, hey Google, tell me a fact about bears.
I read on Wikipedia that, even though they belong to the order Carnivora, giant pandas mostly eat bamboo.
So yeah, you can ask it all types of questions, like even for homework or something like that. And it's only $40, guys. I don't know why I haven't said this before. It's only $40. It's literally your own assistant, your own personal assistant around you. You can buy several of these and put them all around your house. You can also get a bigger one, which is I think about $100 or $150, depending where you live. And I'll actually put the pricing up for USA and Canada. And yeah, it's a great speaker. I like it a little bit more than the Alexa, but the Alexa's a great choice too. The Alexa's around the same price too. So yeah, this is the unboxing for the Google Home Mini. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. So don't forget to subscribe. I don't know what my next video will be, but yeah, so bye guys. Hey Google, say bye.